Hey guys, this is Maria from freesocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use TikTok freeze frame effect. If you want to make your TikTok videos more attractive and funny, then think about using freeze frame effect. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. After that, press on the effects icon and hit the trending tab. Scroll down until you find the freeze frame icon. Tap it. To start making the freeze frame effect video, press the record button. After that, tap the screen at the point where you want to freeze the frame and then move somewhere. When you will record the video, you will get something like this. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use TikTok freeze frame effect. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freesocial.com.